Sage Fixed Assets Planning lets you take control of your fixed assets even before they become fixed assets by allowing you to more effectively manage your construction in progress projects. Whether you're assembling a single piece of machinery, retooling an entire plant, completing a retail build-out, or constructing a new building, Sage streamlines project management and gives you control over your capital budget. Because Sage Fixed Assets Planning works seamlessly with Sage Fixed Assets Depreciation and Sage Fixed Assets Tracking, you have a complete suite of solutions to manage your fixed assets throughout their entire life cycle. Sage Fixed Assets Planning supports 3 levels of data: projects, such as plant retooling or building construction; line items, things that will become fixed assets upon completion; and transactions, your expenses, typically invoices or purchase orders. Companies often create projects that reflect individual or annual capital budget initiatives. Within a project, they will create line items for things that will become fixed assets, such as the building structure, pieces of machinery, computer equipment, and furniture and fixtures. Companies will then track the invoices, or what we refer to as transactions, for each. You can customize each project to reflect the way your company does business. You can track as few or as many projects as necessary. The Project Snapshot provides an overview of the status of each project, including the start and end dates, and a brief project description. Over time, the Project Snapshot automatically updates with data about the project, its line items, and the transactions you've processed. You have instant visibility to spending information, and alerts point to any items that may need your immediate attention. The Project Snapshot window also includes several useful reports and charts, including a timeline, helping you determine spending history, and get a summarized spending comparison, providing a high-level look at your project. Managing an existing project is a breeze. Simply change budgetary and spending amounts, contact details, or other information via a list of user-defined fields. You can quickly revise your budget as work on the project progresses to completion. Drilling into the next level of project data allows you to view and edit the line items that are displayed in one convenient location called the Group View. Because Sage Fixed Assets Planning offers seamless integration with other Sage Fixed Assets products, each item listed appears as a fixed asset in Sage Fixed Assets Depreciation once the project is complete. This not only saves you time, but also dramatically reduces data entry errors. Unlike a spreadsheet, managing the data within Sage Fixed Assets Planning is simple. Sort by clicking on any column header. From the Manage Views screen, you can customize, add or remove, and reorder fields. Group data simply by dragging any column header into this gray box. For example, this data is now grouped by GL code. To undo, just drag it back. You can easily view the details for a particular item by double-clicking. Here we see the details of the office machinery item, including the description, start and end dates, the GL CIP account, and the line item type. Notice that we can track expensed items as well as capitalized items. Plus, there are 21 user-defined fields, including 7 numeric fields. Looking closer, we have 7 transactions, or invoices, entered for this line item for total spending of $4,619. And since we originally budgeted $3,000, the software allows us to revise our budget to provide for future spending. The Transaction tab displays a list of expenses or tasks associated with the line item. This information can be manually entered or easily imported from your accounting system. Double-clicking on a transaction shows details such as a description, transaction date, date posted, vendor, amount, journal, and reference number or code. Below, another 21 customizable fields, including an additional 7 numeric fields, can be used to track the information that is important to you. That's a total of 47 user-defined fields across all 3 levels. Once work on a line item is complete, the information is used to create the fixed asset. For example, these items are marked as having spending complete, but have not yet been created as fixed assets. To create a fixed asset, just select the database and company. When the asset is created, the system number of the CIP line item will be added so that you can easily cross-reference line items to fixed assets. In addition to robust financial analysis and status information, Sage Fixed Assets Planning includes a wide range of reporting options. Standard reports are available at each level, including a transaction information report. There are also consolidated reports spanning all projects, such as the Consolidated Line Item Summary. Whether you're assembling multi-component equipment, upgrading machinery, constructing buildings, or accumulating separate invoices prior to placing a fixed asset into service, Sage Fixed Assets Planning helps you take control of spending and streamlines your project accounting, eliminating cumbersome spreadsheets, manual data entry, and the mountain of invoices. With a full range of integrated fixed asset management solutions from Sage, you'll have better control over assets, maximizing your company's efficiency and ultimately your bottom line. For more information on Sage Fixed Assets Planning or any of our other unique solutions, contact us today.